Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 406, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. So first thing you need to do is to open the control panel and find here all features you don't need right now and just disable it. So, for example, if you're using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time, you need to disable one of them. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Reduce the screen brightness if you don't need if you don't need screen brightness on full. So just dim it, make your screen dimmer. Of course, disable the lighter. Disable the auto rotation, and cool. Swipe down here, disable newbie share, disable location services if you have it, and cool, that's it. So, the next step to improve battery life is to open the settings and scroll down and find here in settings battery. So we need to find the battery. I can find it. Okay, it's here in Smart Manager. So open Smart Manager, and in the Smart Manager you will see it. Cool. Here we have battery, and here we have normal saving mode and super saving mode. So you can enable the normal saving mode. In this mode, your smartphone will live a little longer from one charging, but with super charging mode, as you can see, I have 22%, and in super saving mode my device will live longer than 1 day just when I have 22%. So it's really great mode. I suggest to try it. Cool. As you can see, this mode is opened, and to exit this mode you just need to click on the right of corner, and this way you can exit this mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.